Hey, what's up guys, Theo here, and in this video I want to look at the React hook for useEffect, and this basically takes the place of component did update, component did mount, and component will unmount. So here we have a create React app, simple class component app right here, and I have the state, which is to signify whether or not we should show the component, right? So the first time it shows, we just have the simple demo component. This is I'm the demo component. You can watch it right here. And if we type in our DevTools, you can sort of see right here, that's what it is, right? And yeah, so there it is. It just has the children right there. So first, let's look at the signature of useEffect. UseEffect is just a function, and you can read about it right here. And it takes in a function, and it also returns back to us the ability to call something when the component unmounts. So what I want to do here is create this method which is going to say log mouse move, which is, we'll just do handle mouse move actually, that makes more sense. Handle mouse move. We want to extract the client X and the client Y from here. And basically what we're just going to do is just log out here in an object client Y, and we'll just say, just do this. We'll say, let me do this actually, we'll just wrap it in here. We'll say console.log moving mouse, and then we'll just log it in here in this group. So client X, client Y, cool, and then clean that up right there. And basically, what we want to do is when it mounts, we'll look at this, add event listener, mouse move, and we want to pass it handle mouse move. And now, as we can see, we're moving and it's logging, cool. Now what happens though if we do something in here, like a component did mount, and then we call this just to simulate a component crashing after 8 seconds, right? Something like that. And here we're just going to update the state. I'm going to say demo component visible is false. So what happens here, right? Like, and then before it actually crashes inside of this function, I just want to write something, right? I want to do document.writeLine. We'll just give this a center each one unmounted component, and each one and center. Cool. So now let's look at what happens, right? It's running, it's running, it's running, keeps running, keeps running. Watch the text change right here. There you go, unmounted component. And now we're back to just the app, right? And we can see the demo is in here, but it's not being shown right now. So cool. And we notice one thing that we do see though is, right, this is logging, 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 and it stopped right there, right? That's good. Let's just take this out right here and just look at it go. Okay, cool. We can sort of see here the document write line, I think, took care of the handlers, but here we can sort of see we have this handler, still sort of going. Let me see if I can look at it. Where is it? Audit, elements, right? We can look. So we have a mouse move going on the window right here, and we can sort of see it's right there. It's still running. But if we do this, right, we can just call this. We just log out something here. We'll just say unmounted, and let's just remove this right here, right? And we'll say mouse move. And we'll do handle mouse move, and let me clean that up real quick. Cool. And again, we can see it running. Move mouse, move mouse, move mouse, and it stopped. Cool. And it's no longer visible right there. And also, if we go in and we see it's no longer here because we've removed it, so we've cleaned it up. Cool. So that's about it, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, if you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.